Hello, my name is Mark Pimentel. I'm a CAM application specialist here at Hawkridge Systems, and in this video I'll be showing you our new custom CAM setup sheet generator. So with the part on screen, I've already programmed it, I've already sorted my tools, I've already set the G-code down to the shop floor. Now it's time to generate a tool sheet so that my operators and my setup technicians know which tools to set up for this particular work job. So if we take a look at my tool list, I have a couple of tools already in use, some not in use, and I want to send the in-use tools along with some additional information down to the shop floor for that setup. So I'll go to my Custom CAM Setup Sheets tab on my SolidWorks ribbon, and I'll just click on Create Setup Sheet. What this will do is it'll take a look at my CAM part file and extract certain information and plug it into a template that I have already defaulted on the top of this menu. If I have any additional setup instructions, maybe captured in a SolidWorks drawing, I can link to that here and add it to this output. If there's any additional files, I can grab any kind of PDF and add that to this same file here, so that if I have a PDF of a new holding system we're using or a new tool that we're about to incorporate with this job, I can include the PDF here and then it becomes part of my information output. The G-code has already been posted to this particular location. If I have any additional setup notes or inspection notes, I can include them in those sections there. If I have any details for the work offset, I can add them into this section here. For the actual output that goes into the template relating to the job, I can plug in my program number. The material size was informed by the CAM part itself, but if I have any additional material information notes, I can plug that here. The customer name, part number, and revision number can be plugged in here as well. My name as the programmer, and which step in the overall operation we can indicate over here. If I captured any images of my part from the CAM part, I can include that on the side here. And then the actual output that goes down to the shop floor, I can either send it out as an Excel file or a PDF file. In this case, I'm just going to do it as a PDF. So all I had to do was just click on Create Setup Sheet. It captured all that information there, where I plugged in some remaining information on this section. Now it's time to actually create that setup sheet. So I'll just click OK. And what the add-on will do is it will extract the tooling information from the CAM part file. You'll see that it takes the dimensions and the shapes of each tool being used. It captures the stick out from each holder, and it'll plug that into the actual setup sheet. The format of the setup sheet, those default templates, that's defaulted, that is already part of the add-on. You'll receive some templates ready to go right out of the box. But if you want to have your own custom-made template, just give us a call and we can work with you on that to customize the template for you. Okay, and with that, we can see how long it took to actually generate the sheet. And once we click OK, it pulls up the PDF and the Excel file of the generated sheet. So between the two outputs in the Excel file and the PDF, you get similar information. If we take a look at my PDF here, all the information that I plugged into the prompt window is now captured here. So when I generated it, who generated it, for which customer. On page 2, we see the beginning of the tool list. So all the information captured from the CAM file is captured here. So flute length, stick out, diameter, everything that we need to set up the tools on the machine. In the operations list, we can see which tool is doing which operation and the feeds and speeds associated with each operation, as well as cycle time. In the tool list, we can see which tool is going in which holder. And from there, we can send this out with the G-code in a complete job folder to get the job done on the shop floor. If you're interested in learning more about the custom CAM setup sheet generator, give us a call and we can give you a quote on the actual add-on itself. And if once you have it, if you're looking for any kind of support on that or your own custom-made tool templates, we can help you with that as well. Thanks for watching.